What's going on, everybody? Stock Jock. Let's try that again. What's going on, everybody? Stock Jock here. Up $5,046 in the first hour of trading today. Finished the day up $22,284. Insane day today. A lot of news plays, a lot of market movement. Market was on fire. We took advantage of it. We actually absolutely slaughtered it in chat today. So if you don't already know, I run a free chat room. It's on Twitch. It's a live stream. I trade there all day long. Come join. It's a real good tool to help new traders, especially, see someone trade, see how they do it, ask questions on that style, and see if that style works for them. After that, we have free Discord. Come on in. And besides that, hit the thumbs up button for free content. Let's get into the trades. All right, so this first trade, it was ATOS. I think it was a news play, some sort of news. I can't remember. There's a reason why. I don't typically trade like the first 2-3 minutes of the market open. This one was news. I can't even remember what it was. What I do remember, however, is E-Trade was giving me a very hard time on this trade. I hit the buy button 3 times, 2,000 shares each, and the order just froze there. Didn't do anything, just kind of said pending. In the world of day trading, seconds matter. So 10 seconds afterwards, I finally get filled on this thing. And at that point, I'm just so fed up. I'm like thinking to myself, here we go again. It could be one of those mornings where the platform just lets you down constantly. Anyway, I was able to get out with some profit at 303 and 301. So you'll see the frustration here, though. And that kind of was persistent through this morning. Oh, ATOS just great E-Trade. Now we're getting filled. Okay. Great. Oh yeah, it's good. That's great. That's great E-Trade. Sell. Okay. Sell. Okay. Great. It's gonna be one of these days E-Trade. Next trade was on RBLX. It's the hot IPO from yesterday. Kind of sold off out of the gates. Popped here. Candle. Pullback. Candle over candle. Didn't really rip. Another pullback. Right back up to this level. And I'm like, okay, well maybe he wants to go this time, and I'll just use candle over candle for an entry and looking for high a day. I get in right here at 77.48 and 77.50. It does pop up. It does break that level. Doesn't really go anywhere though. So when I see that, I'm like, okay, I got what I was looking for. It didn't move. I'm getting out. 77.60, 77.55, and then it proceeded to sell off. So that's why you stick to your rules. A lot of times, if it doesn't do what you thought it was going to do, it's gonna go the other way on you. So, ooh, okay. Really? Get on up. Five, 75, 77. Struggling there. 24. Come on. Wow. Couldn't go there, huh? 77. Oh, it did go. 77, 78. I made money on that. A little bit. Jeez. So this next trade on Tesla, this is the part of the day where the market started to just go crazy higher. It started screaming higher. And Tesla was kind of in a downward move, or at least the market was starting to go. What time did it start going? About this time. Started moving up towards the high day anyway. And Tesla had sold off, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then a higher low was set in right here And I was like, okay, maybe this is the reversal that goes alongside with the rest of the market. And I was like, okay, I'm going to try the candle over candle here, looking for high of the run and maybe a move up to VWAP. And I got all of that. I went long when that happened. Right here, I played the calls. I took 20 calls at 13.18, popped up, broke that level. I thought maybe if I got lucky, we'd get up there, but I thought VWAP would be too big of a resistance in the first go. It did do it eventually. Did I play it next? No. Okay, so as it popped up in here, got to VWAP, which I thought was going to be a resistance. I sold into that. That was my strat. If it didn't break it immediately, I was just going to sell it at VWAP. It got close enough, started exiting 1390, 1390. So this next trade is on LGVN. This one, huge mover this morning, recent IPO as well. Huge mover this morning, gapped up big and started selling off, halted on the way down here. Out of the halt, pop, drop further, pop higher, drop not as far. So it was setting up for maybe like a horizontal break. I think at the time, let's see, it was like a horizontal break, or at the time, I think it drew it something like this, a small diagonal, right, between these two peaks. And I was really thinking that after I saw this candle under candle fail here, I was like, okay, maybe, just maybe, we can get a break of this level and it will go. So I played it accordingly. I went long 1030 inside this candle right around here. Got the move. Jeez. Okay. Got the move up, didn't break out, so to speak, so I sold at 1037 and 1030, and then it proceeded to just dump the rest of the day. ENTX 5-minute, but it pulled back so sharply. I don't know if I'm interested in that one. Can I go over 44? It's 40. The wallet, magic wallet 40. Oh, 43. Nope. And what am I in it? I hit the sell button. I hit the sell button. Jeez. So this next trade is on RBLX. This one, it was in a downtrend, and it was getting close to getting like a relief bounce or a reversal, whatever. So you had these peaks that it created on the way down. Drop, bounce, drop further, bounce, high, drop further, bounce, drop, but did not go low of the run, bounce, drop, did not go low of the run again. So I'm thinking, okay, if it starts breaking these horizontals from where it just came from, maybe you're going to get a pop. So that's what I'm looking for here. I went long. So let me do this one. This one's in the wrong spot right there. All right, so I went long. I caught this a little late. I got a bad fill. I wanted to get filled at like 73.60. I got filled at 73.77. Got to move up. It was approaching that 74 level. I thought I was going to break it. It did, and I sold half at 73.94. And then I was like, okay, I'll just let this next candle, and then poof, it drops down like 40 cents. So when I see that, I'm like, all right, let me just hang it up. Sold the rest at 73.54. So basically a break even on the trade. This is getting tight, man. Hit the buy button. It is so slow on this piece of garbage. 74.24. I don't know what the deal is. Oh, big buyer there. Gonna punch through this? Oh, they're gonna punch through it. No, they're not. Oof. All right, I'm out. So again, here's another kind of like a little reversal setup. Almost like a little mini left shoulder head, right shoulder here. Kind of. It's on a 1 minute chart, so whatever. I was just kind of looking for this kind of horizontal level to break. I thought if it did, maybe it would reverse. We've seen that a lot recently with these stocks that gap up. They tend to sell off out of the open and then make maybe the big move a little bit later on the day or in the morning. And I thought maybe this had a chance to do that, and maybe this was the place that did it. I went long right in here looking for this little horizontal break here. I went long at 949. Got the pop. Didn't really do anything. Didn't get over any special levels or anything else. So didn't do anything when I saw that. Time to get out. I got out at 955 and 950. And this was the last trade I took of this morning. Again, things were kind of slow. I was up about $2,000+ and then I did sell these riot calls that I had from yesterday. Bitcoin was going high a day. Riot went high a day. I sold these for another $2,000, $2,500 or something. You'll see. At the end of the day, that brought me right around $5,000. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. I much appreciate it. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in Twitch on stream tomorrow, bright and early, 9:30. Let's make some money, and I'll also see you in Discord. So links for all that is down below, and thanks again. $55? Yeah. Okay. People are quick to take their profit on this thing, man. Not what I was expecting. All right, first hour's in the bag, $5,046.